Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a product in Shopify store. So for selling a product, you have to first upload a product with their hook, with their engageable and interesting titles and description that can hook the traffic and they can convert them into the customers. So first you have to log into your Shopify stores. Then here you will find the dashboard where you can find the products. You can simply click on it, and here you can see I have already added some product here. So I'm going to add a new product for now. So you have to simply click on add product button here. Now here is the title where you have to add the title. So for now I'm going to add a title now. So I'm going to add that here, so just like this, and it could be more interesting, but I have just added it as an example for this video. Make sure that you have added a title with that actually describe about your product, and it feels interesting, and it can describe about all the benefit of your product in some line that can actually attract the users. Now here you can add some description, so you have to add a perfect keyword stuffed and rankable and engageable, and that can actually convert the traffic into customers. So that type of description, so you can add some more details about your product. So let me add a description here. Now from here you can paste your I'm going to paste my description about my product. So the best and ideal description is you have actually you have added a description for the first paragraph. It should be able to release dopamine in human brains, and then you can add some key features name here, and you can tell about the build quality, and then you can tell the benefits and usability, and then you can add some conclusion and something special about that actually can make up the mind at the end of the description. Now here is the media. So media is much important thing, that actually whenever we want to buy something, then we just look at that photo from online. Actually, if it's in case we are buying something like some stuff from online, then we actually usually see the photo closely, video, and we can get we actually watch the review on social media platforms or on that website also, actually, if there's any review. So that's mean media is one of the key feature or key point where customers can be attracted, and you can that customer can actually engage with your product. So make sure you have add some interesting images like this. I have just added it, so it is pretty cool. So whoever actually come for the years of gun or love the years of gun, so they actually love the vibe of this photo, I hope. Now you can add more of this. So I'm going to add media from here. I'm going to add more here. So I'm going to select multiple media from here, just like this. So the rest of the four, so here you can see I have just added. So I'm going to just like this. Here you can see I have just added the photo here, also this photo also here. Now here you can select the photo, the front photo, the second, the third. Here is a serial of that photo here. So that's how you can just make a serial from here. Now make sure that you have categorized, you have actually described the category of that product. So it has actually automatically get that product here, like airsoft gun in airsoft, or you can make anything like any type of things like airsoft guns battery or anything. So the pricing here, you can add the pricing. So I'm going to add the pricings here, like then the compare at pricing, you can add a comparison price if you want. So the charge tax on this product, if you want tax, then you can go with that, or you can unselect it, or you can select it. Now cost per item, you can select the cost per item. So here it is cost per item, and the profit is actually you can define the profit, how much profit you can get, like 800. So you can add the margin here like 20%. Sorry for that, we have just simply we have accidentally clicked the enter button here, but that's not a problem issue. So we are going to add so it's not actually letting me So 25,000 here. So cost per item here, so you can add it like cost per item is low. So how much you have spent with this cost per item. So we are going to add it the cost per item. So here is the benefit amount that you can get as benefit, and here's the margin, the profit margin here, that how much percentage margin profit you will get. Now the inventory, so where you can add an inventory from here. So from here adjustment history, so we have you have like stock keeping SKU, so stock keeping unit, or here's the barcode, so you can add them. Here's that you can add the stock here. So track quantity, you can I have just added the quantity here, so you can add it like auto ds pro here, and just like this. Here is quantity. To update your quantity, save your changes. So here you can just simply click on save to change the quantity here. So if I simply click on save, so it will just change the quantity. So that's how you can select your quantity. You can change your quantity here. Then we are going to add some shipment products. So here is the so for shipment details, like how much weight this product have. Like I'm going to use it 0.9 kg or 1.5 kg actually. Then custom details, so country and region, you can go with anything, any country here. I'm going to select all of them. Sorry for that. So I'm going to delete this actually, and so United States, so system or keyword or anything code you can add it here. So also you can add HS codes here, and here's the variant that is actually most important thing, that you have to add some variant so people can actually get it. So here is the category metafields, that actually it is categorized it through the metafields here. So you can get that. Here you can see the red color gun, the blue color gun, the black, green. Also here you can see the equipments where you can add some equipments. So we are going to add some variant also. So here is the color, so it has just already added the color here, like here. So variants, we can actually add some prices from here. So here it is. So we can add some images. So we are going to add the images here, like this one, not this actually, this one here, done. And we are going to add more here, like what it was, what color, blue color. So there is the blue color here, and here's the black color. So we are going to select the black, and here's the green color here. So that's how we can add it, and we are going to add that here, and we are going to add some like years of equipment included. So included is chargers and batteries here. So we are going to include it in. We can actually add a video of this years of kind if we want. So if you have any video, then you can select it from here, or you can simply full size here and upload a video. You can simply click on it and you can upload a video of that this review or the promotional video. So here you can see product meta field. So there is no product meta field to pin, so you can pin a meta field from this settings. So that's actually we are going to show you in another someday. So that's not an important section. So it is the overview that how it's look like. So in your search engine pages. So we are going to add another variant here, like equipment here. So if anyone want to get something like equipment here, so I have added it, done. So that's how we can do it. Now we are going to save that. Now here is it. We are going to save it, and here you can see I have just saved that item here, saved that product here. So here let's see the quantity about this product here. Now in collections, you have to go to collections here and products here. So here it is. So there is the product here. So we are going to change. Now here you can see I have just added the product here. So there is all of the products that actually I have added. So that's how you can just simply do it. So it's pretty much all thing how you can actually add a product on your Shopify store. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.